Assalamu Alaikum, my dear kids. Welcome back to your Quran class. I'm very happy to see you again. In our last class, we learned the first letters of the Arabic alphabet. Do you remember? Alif, Ba, and Ta. Very good, mashallah. Today is our Noorani Qaida lesson number 2. We will learn new Arabic letters slowly and clearly, inshallah. Let's start together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Alif, Alif. Ba, Ba. Ta, Ta. Tha, Tha. Very good. Keep your voice soft and clear. Now let's make a small dua together. O Allah, make learning the Quran easy for us and put love for the Quran in our hearts. Ameen. Let's say the letters one more time. Alif, Alif. Ba, Ta, Tha. Let's say the letters one more time. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Excellent. You are doing amazing. MashaAllah. Kids, learning the Quran is a beautiful journey. Take your time, don't hurry, and always try your best. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in our next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.